Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sonali and I am here to share one of the easy healthy breakfast recipe which I usually make. This recipe is really healthy and also makes you feel full. Also doesn't really have much calories. So you will need these four ingredients for this recipe, and that is a yogurt, dry fruits and a cornflakes. You will need a bowl to mix all the ingredients in and add those fruits into that bowl. I have used pomegranate, papaya, and an apple. You can add any kind of a fruit, whichever you like. After that, I'm adding this yogurt. I love blueberry yogurt, that's why I'm adding this flavor. You can add any kind of the yogurt into the bowl. After adding the yogurt, I'm adding some dry fruits in it, and I have used raisins, almonds and dates. You can add any kind of a dry fruit. After that, I'm adding cornflakes. This is the cornflakes in strawberry flavor. You can add any kind of cornflakes, but I really enjoy strawberry flavored cornflakes, that's why I'm adding it. Also, it makes this meal crunchy, so you should add, I would recommend you to add a cornflakes. After that, I am mixing, and this is all you need to make this recipe. It's really delicious, really healthy, and will make you feel full for a long time. I hope you enjoy this meal, and thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like it, subscribe it, share it. Okay, bye.